did some meditation, did some gym. My vape just ran out of battery, but I've been vaping, and I'm just very emotionally overwhelmed by the job situation. Yeah, I'm just not feeling too confident about any of the options that are available, and I'm not really sure what to do about that, given that I'm not really feeling too confident, and that creates a lot of anxiety. It's easier to just go to the interviews and do the job search thing, but then when it actually is coming time to decide something, it's just giving me tons of anxiety. So yeah, hence the need for some candy. Well, I just completed second round interview with another case management company, and now I am outside of the training center for the Plumbers Association job, which has a lot of payroll, a little outside my wheelhouse, but I had the interview scheduled, so I'm going to follow through. Not really sure how that one went. The main interviewer said I asked some good questions, seemed to like me, but I'm not really sure. Just glad to have a little rest before we have to decide anything next. I really had a hell of a time taking pictures out here in nature, though. Hopefully you folks will like them too. Spent a lot of time in my car just editing away like crazy. I was almost more taken in by the photos than the actual nature itself. But so is the photographer's curse. Super nice out. I'm still a bit high. Having a lot of reflections about the vlog. I feel like I see what the vlog could be if I lean into the neurodivergent narrative that I'm spinning here. I've got a lot of cool projects. They are cool projects. And I think the neurodivergent community, if they could be properly introduced, would really find my projects cool. And my brother already says that I have a good charismatic personality that people like on its own. It's a recipe for good narrative vlog structured show. And figuring out how to do it is part of the journey, and I keep taking those back steps, where I don't edit or I don't film, and then I kind of think it's over. But that's part of the journey, folks. Part of what I'm trying to share and put out and do is a passion project with some entrepreneurial, community-oriented magic in it. And I want other people to do the same. And they say, be the change you want to see in the world. So yeah. All but ready to make a decision about which case management job to take when the dentist job reached out to me via text saying that I'm still under consideration. Oh, I've been agonizing all morning on what to do about the job. It's kind of a coin flip, which place would be better to work. Slightly better reviews on Glassdoor for one of the places than the other. I hate this. Okay, so I made a decision, did it based on the Glassdoor reviews, and had a good conversation with the supervisor about expectations. So just kind of leaned into that, and it's gonna start next week. So stay tuned for a new journey, a new chapter, revisiting an old chapter, doing case management in Hennepin County.